So first thing you're gonna want to do is go to namecheap.com, and there's a link in the description of the video for Namecheap you can go to as well. Then just put in your domain right here in the search bar. Hit search. And Namecheap is a really great website for domains because one, they're really cheap, and two, it's really easy to use. Okay, so make sure it's available, then just add it to cart. Once it's added, view cart. So you can get it for multiple years. I just want one, and you can turn on or off auto renew at any time, so I could turn that off later if I want. And this is a free year and doesn't auto renew. Awesome. And any of this stuff, if you want it, go for it, but I usually just want the domain, nothing else. So I'll hit confirm order. And then if you don't have an account, just go ahead and fill that out and hit create account and continue. Now just some additional information you have to fill out. I'm going to do it as an individual. And yeah, so just go ahead and fill all that stuff out and hit continue. So now just go ahead and make sure this is the right contact information, and if you need to change it for some reason, maybe billing's different, then go ahead and do that. If not, you can just, if you want to save this for later, and then hit continue. Then you're going to put in your credit card information and make sure your billing address is correct. And this is automatically on the right setting, so you don't even have to click any of that. You can make this your default payment, and then just hit continue again. Okay, so you can just review your order real quick. Looks all good. So that's it. Just hit pay now and you're done.